So if you just ask me what made me buy the BMW s1000rr, the reason is going to be the f***ing quick shifter. So in this video, we're going to discuss how to use QUICKSHIFTER auto blipper, and I'm going to tell you the things which you need to keep in mind before starting to use those features. So let's talk about QUICKSHIFTER first. What is QUICKSHIFTER? QUICKSHIFTER is basically clutchless upshift. So how do you normally upshift? You just close the throttle, engage the clutch, and then lever up, then again open the throttle. So with QUICKSHIFTER you can just forget about the clutch. There is no clutch. So basically it's like keep the throttle open, acceleration on, and just keep on boom, 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 boom. So this is how it sounds. The MotoGP thing. So this is how it looks on the road. Let's talk about blipper. So blipper is basically the clutchless downshift. So how do you normally downshift on any bike? You just close the throttle, engage the clutch, downshift. With blipper you can just forget about the clutch again. You can just keep the throttle closed immediately and boom, downshift, downshift, boom, downshift, boom, downshift. So basically this is how it looks. This is how it looks on the road. And about the QUICKSHIFTER, there are very less number of super bikes which normally comes with the QUICKSHIFTER module pre-installed from the factory. So if you have a super bike which doesn't have a QUICKSHIFTER module from the factory, you can still go ahead and check with the third-party manufacturers if they're going to make those QUICKSHIFTER. I guess most of the bikes already have QUICKSHIFTER modules right now, and the best two brands which I know which makes the QUICKSHIFTER modules for many of the super bikes are, I guess, Bajaj and the Dynojet. I bought a Aprilia RSV4 in 2014 and I had it till 2016, and it was one of my most loved bikes because it came with the QUICKSHIFTER from the factory. I guess it was my first super bike which came with a QUICKSHIFTER, and it was just so wicked. I guess I sold the bike in 2016 because I was not getting time to ride. I was too busy with my work and travel. Waited for like 2 years. In 2018 I went ahead and got this s1000rr. And for the BMW s1000rr I have been getting a lot of questions like, so one thing I need to tell you that it comes in two variants, standard and the pro. For the pro it's like, I guess, 4.5 or 5 lakhs more than the standard, and the thing which you get for this 5 lakhs is the mighty QUICKSHIFTER. So the option was clear for me. QUICKSHIFTER it is, so I had to get the pro. Went ahead and got this first pro of the country. So for me, I don't ask for anyone else's bike, I don't touch others' bike, I don't even ride others' bike. And even if I do, if it doesn't have a QUICKSHIFTER module, no way. I'm not riding a bike which doesn't have a QUICKSHIFTER module installed. Yeah, that's just me. I mean, I hate using the clutch. Now the three things to know before starting to use this QUICKSHIFTER feature or the QUICKSHIFTER module. First, do not try to use the QUICKSHIFTER when you are on lower revs or lower RPM. As per the manual, do not use the QUICKSHIFTER for anything below 3000 RPM. Second, whenever you are using the QUICKSHIFTER, you need to make sure the throttle is open, the throttle is engaged. Third, do not try to use the QUICKSHIFTER when you are nearing the red line. This is written in the manual as well. Although I haven't tried, we don't have the roads to go all the way full throttle or red lines. And the two things which you need to keep in mind before starting to use the blipper function is, first, do not try to use the blipper on lower RPM or the lower revs. Second, you need to make sure the throttle is closed while using the blipper. So if you have a super bike and you have got this QUICKSHIFTER module installed and you are using it the wrong way, it's time to go ahead and check this video, fix it the way you use it. And if you do not have a super bike, I want you to work hard, work your ass off, get a super bike and just have fun with it. Good luck. So I hope you have learned something new today. If you have got any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Smash the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay updated. I will see you next.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know